Okay, so this is part two of my review. I do want to give you a clarifying piece of advice. When I first did the review, not for this book, but for the first book in the series, um, I used the word intention, but more specifically, it's called cleaning ahead of time. And so this particular Blue Ice book is called Clean Ahead, and it gives examples of how you can clean ahead. For example, I love to have planners because I like to just dump in my planner what I need to do. Now, I'm not as rigid as I used to be. I'm more trying to be in the flow when I do my Ho'oponopono. But what I have added to my planner is every day on the daily pages, I'll write thank you, I love you as a form of cleaning for the planner. And then I also put divine order so that my day will be in divine order. And I'm not trying to uh, be crazily trying to accomplish everything in my planner. And another way to clean ahead is uh, Dr. Hewlin, he talks about cleaning ahead with trees. And Ruby, she's been our conscious collaborator for a while now, and she had been asking about how to clean, or, what did Dr. Hewlin say about cleaning with trees and cars. I haven't come across the cars part yet, but I'll be on the lookout. But here's what he says about cleaning with trees. He says the ice blue is incredible. Oh, and just to interject, Ho'oponopono has so many clearing tools I did not even know. So this book series, I'm glad I invested in it. Now, the books are little, and I wouldn't normally pay $19 for a little book, but the information is gold. The information is golden. There's so many cleaning tools that I did not know about, and they were not mentioned on the lecture with Dr. Hewlin and Joe Vitale. In the book, they do refer to another series of lectures. Um, so if you want me to, just let me know if you're interested in attending a lecture. Believe they're all online now, but let me know and I will look up the link and post it in the description below. But going back to this, the ice blue is incredible, Dr. Hewlin says, and all you have to do is say it. There are 300 or 400 trees that I pass by in the hour of my daily walk. I say ice blue to myself, I touch each tree, and then the tree provides a treatment. So for each tree that I go by, I use the ice blue tool on myself so I get cleaned up before I touch the tree, and then I touch the tree. And for every tree along the way, which amounts to several hundred trees, I do the ice blue and then I touch the tree and I get a treatment from each and every tree. That's what I do every day. And I clean with other things while I'm walking. If somebody is coming by me or coming towards me, I do my cleaning with that person. If I come to a stoplight, I do my cleaning. So I'm always cleaning, but mostly what I use on my walk is the ice blue tool on myself before I touch the trees so I can get a treatment from the trees. And that's kind of a little bit like an intention, but I know his heart is pure because we don't ever want to do something to get something with Ho'oponopono, if you know what I mean. And then he goes on to say KR, and he uses the initials KR. KR, can you make a comment on this using the ice blue before I touch the trees? And she responds, yes, it's important. One other thing that comes to mind is that we, as a human race, have so damaged the earth, manipulating, cutting down trees, and in all kinds of other ways. When we apply this ice blue process, we're helping, in a sense, to make friends again with the animal kingdom and the plant kingdom. Dr. Hewlin responds, the other thing it opens is the angelic kingdom too, doesn't it, KR? It either happens or it doesn't. And she responds, yes, it is what we call plant fairies or elemental beings. We're going to include the larger group of angelic kingdoms. Again, we're trying to make friends. We're all enemies with everybody from our actions. So as we clean, we get to make new friends. Okay, so that is that. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. If I come across the cleaning with cars, I will definitely include that in one of the videos and a subsequent video. But I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you're at in the world. Bye.